Imagine waking up one day to find the entire world has changed. AI has taken over every job, from the corner tea seller to the top CEO. Factories lie silent, offices are empty. And everywhere you look, there's only one face: artificial intelligence. Machines are working without the need for a single human. Your own job, your livelihood, your identity, all gone. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future knocking at our door. And the scariest part? We're absolutely not prepared for it. Sounds terrifying, right? But what you're about to hear in the next few minutes might just surprise you. So, when AI takes all the jobs, what will we Indians do? Maybe we'll all become Netflix professionals? Not a bad idea, honestly. What do you think will happen to the world if AI replaces every job? What if your worst fear comes true? To find out, stay with us. This is 404 Green. Make sure you like and subscribe before we dive in. Let's go. AI is no longer science fiction. It's rapidly transforming every sector. Manufacturing, logistics, education, healthcare, banking, and entertainment. In factories, robots and AI systems can produce goods faster and more efficiently than humans. In the service sector, chatbots and virtual assistants can take over customer service jobs. In financial trading, AI-driven algorithms can outperform human brokers. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical data faster than doctors. Even creative fields like art, music, and writing are being disrupted by AI tools that can design, compose, and write. Experts say that by 2030, nearly 800 million jobs worldwide, about 20% of the global workforce, could be automated or replaced by AI. The consequences of this AI shift will be deep and far-reaching. Massive unemployment could lead to social unrest, economic instability, and a growing gap between those who control the technology and those left behind. In countries like India, where a massive number of people depend on traditional jobs, this change could push entire communities into poverty. It's not just about job loss, but also about the loss of identity and purpose, as machines start to outperform humans in almost every field. If AI development goes unchecked, we also risk data misuse, privacy violations, and cyber attacks. Imagine an AI-powered surveillance system tracking every citizen's move, or autonomous drone armies deployed at borders without human command. And if AI systems are trained with bias, they could make unfair decisions, like rejecting job applications or denying loan approvals. In the future, some countries might use their AI systems to seek global dominance, threatening the independence of other nations. And if countries can't manage this shift, they might fall behind in global competition, pushing their citizens into cycles of frustration and insecurity. But there is a silver lining. This isn't the end of the road. To survive and thrive in an AI-dominated future, India and the world must make bold plans. First, our education system must focus on creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking, areas where humans still outperform machines. Second, governments need to create policies for reskilling, support entrepreneurship, and implement safety nets like Universal Basic Income, UBI. Third, we as individuals need to embrace lifelong learning and turn AI from a threat into a powerful tool. And yes, maybe the time has come for humans to use AI for their benefit, not fear it. Now imagine, AI takes away jobs, but India uses that power to become a global leader in AI innovation, creativity, and human potential. A nation that turns fear into strength and shows the world how to fight smarter. And for those who believe AI can help protect our proud nation and even assist in revenge, that story's coming in the next video. Want to see how AI could help India take revenge for the Pahalgam attack? Check out the next video. The link is right here. If you found this video thought-provoking, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful stories about India's future and technology. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.